When I'm taking notes on a new topic, I will write in capital letters the words that I want to stand out, like synovial for synovial joints, or agonist when I'm talking about muscles that contract. So if I'm wanting to remember something, I write the words in capitals as I'm writing all my notes. I'll also highlight things in various colours. So for the skeletal system, for the bones only, they're highlighted in yellow, and then when it's muscles I'm talking about as part of the musculoskeletal system, I'm highlighting that in pink. So sometimes I'll transfer those notes onto flashcards if I'm struggling to remember things. I'll also use a variety of different textbooks and things as I go. It's a really good idea to be using various textbooks so you get used to hearing the way sentences are worded differently, and also to watch. I'll take note of like YouTube videos and things that I want to watch on the system that I'm covering. I'll highlight them and write down how many minutes they take. So I will use a variety of ways to try and remember things, and it's really, really good if you're not just using one type of way to try and get the information in your head.